Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Oukitel WP6, for the first you have to go for the sound recorder, then tap on this button, and as you can see right now, smartphone starts recording sounds, and if you want to finish you have to click this right here. Right now we are able to rename the record, save it, and when we enter right here you can just check it. So we can open it with the music, for example. So that is the quality of this record, and after that you can just simply share, delete, or just rename one more time. Pick up your best option. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.